Britain becomes the first Western country to administer vaccinations against the coronavirus. Meanwhile, U.S. regulators evaluate Pfizer's vaccine and confirm that it offers strong protection against the virus. Correspondent Mark Irons reports. Mark?
Tracy, tonight the fight against the pandemic reaches a turning point, even as the U.S. awaits emergency approval of the Pfizer vaccine. A mass inoculation effort is underway in the U.K.
It's less than a year since the first case of coronavirus was diagnosed, and yet here we are in the NHS able to begin administering life-saving vaccine to vulnerable patients. So today's a chance to say a huge thank you.
Public health officials are calling it V-Day, and the head of the UK's National Health Services said the vaccination campaign is the country's biggest immunization program in history. The UK's Margaret Keenan is the first person in the world to receive the Pfizer vaccine.
I would say go for it. Go for it because it's free and it's the best thing that's ever happened at the moment. So please go for it. That's all I say, you know.
The 90-year-old grandmother is the first recipient in the countrywide effort to administer vaccine shots. The Pfizer inoculation is one of the least ethically problematic vaccines since it was not produced using aborted fetal cell lines. And again, as for the U.S., the Pfizer vaccine is nearing emergency approval by the FDA, but it has cleared a major hurdle. According to an FDA review, it offers strong protection after the first dose and works well regardless of a patient's age, race, or weight. Tracy?
Correspondent Mark Irons reporting for us tonight. Thank you so much, Mark.